Is October 16th, 2015 in Yogyakarta, Indonesia, and we are having bird races. Never heard of this in my life. These are pigeons, of course, as you can see, and they actually, the owner and the pigeon have enough of a relationship, apparently, that the pigeon knows to fly directly to the owner, and they're doing like a relay race. There comes one right now. Just caught one. There comes another one. These birds are smart enough to, apparently they go down the field, I think, down there, maybe over here. I'm not really clear on how the bird knows where to go and what the distance is, but they are bird racing, yes. They do not hurt the birds, for anyone who's wondering about that. They are pigeons. So calm that they can be touched, just about. Except I guess I'm a stranger to them. But the owners, put the birds back in these cages, I guess, for a temporary period until they're used again. Here comes one.